Alright guys, today I'm going to unbox the newest subway cars. It's called the R211 and the A train, and the new one it's called the R68 Franklin Avenue in Brooklyn. I already have the 42nd Street Shuttle. The train that goes to J Street Metrotech, World Trade Center, Fulton Street Subway, Broadway, and Far Rockaway, Queens. This one also goes to Far Rockaway, also the shuttle. I don't know if there is, but there are all of them. It's not there also. Well, maybe they have one. Maybe coming soon. Maybe there's gonna be an R160 or R179 shuttle train. I already have the 42nd Street. Today I'm going to unbox it. This is brand new. I hope Johnny Shows will upload this. If you're an MTA fan, if you subscribe to me, Transit City 3, Transit City, his channel. So Johnny Shows, this is for you. I don't know if you will be able to get it, but it's just new. So you wanted, this is not fake. This is the real one. This is true. This is real, not fake or fan made. Train, I don't know what's the name of his channel. Let me see on my phone. So I'm going to go to his channel. I'm not going to show you the code. Hold on. The popular Munipals thing. It's not rare, but it's real. Subscribe to Lego MTA Munipals Subways, his popular channel. So go subscribe to him right now. It's his popular channel. Thank you. Alright. Let's unbox this new Munipals R211 and R68. Are you guys excited, kids? Yeah. Alright. And Wanda, I think you're gonna like it. Yeah. Alright, are you guys ready? Yes. Alright, let's go. Alright. I'll put you guys line up. Yeah. Alright. Okay, Malik. All of the Ostrich brother, Yaya Zook. Hey Dougie. Lady Berlou. Yeah, I can't wait to unbox this new Munipals A and S train. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Alright. Lady Berlou, you're also going to come also, and all of the Ostrich. And Zadie, Milo, and Dino. Alright. Sorry about that. I'm trying to get all of the Ostrich. It's already lined. Alright, there we go. Are you guys ready? Yes. Alright. We have fun at the Delacorte clock in Central Park. Yeah, I know. Alright. You guys ready? Yeah. Alright. Let's start with the A train first. Because it's a popular subway car. This is so rare. Kind of looks rare and real. Because it just came out. This is the same box. Sadly, the R68 got discontinued. R46 got discontinued already because they got replaced. But I think they're going to sell it Mercari or eBay for used. Well, I have an R68. I already have an R46. It's in the Munipals box. Sadly, I didn't get the R32, but I only have the plain one from Mercari. It costs $20. All right, let's start with the A train. I can't wait to see the new one. At the end, I'm going to take a look at the old one, the R46. I just ordered it in 2021. Here it is, guys. The new subway car. I just got it at the Trans Museum in 42nd Street. It looks nice. Wow. I'll show you right now. Alright. Sorry, this is nice. It looks nice. So, it's a nice subway car. Just like the real one. Here's the bottom, front, spine, back. Oh, no, I mean, not the DVD, but it's called the train, though. It's kind of similar. It says 8th Avenue Express. Maybe they're going to sell the Staten Island, too, but I don't know if Staten Island will not come out yet. Alright, here's the new A train. It looks rare. Alright, now the next one. Alright, now the last one will do the shuttle train. Sorry guys, I don't want to get copyright reasons. Let me stay here. Let me close the door so I can get copyright. Sorry about that. I don't want to get copyright. Alright, let's unbox this last train. The Franklin Avenue Shuttle. I'll show you the flyer. Alright, here's the shuttle train. Here's this flyer. Alright. Here's some CTA, SEPTA, and New Jersey Transit. Except MBTA. MBTA bans Munipals. Even they have the F train, Metro North, Long Island Railroad. The R68 G train is still here. I wonder why they added there. There's shuttle train, except the A train is R46 or R44. I don't know. They're kind of similar. It's right here. The old one still exists right here. I'll show you right here. Yep, this one is still exists, but they're going to replace the new one. They're going to make a new one. Update this flyer. I lost the other one. I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Here's the same one. Let's check the same one. The SEPTA bus. I already ordered on Amazon instead of at the SEPTA Philadelphia Transit Museums and stores. This one has the same one also. They're going to replace the Staten Island from the R44. Alright, this is what the Franklin Avenue Shuttle looks like. Kind of looks like the B&D trains. It looks like the shuttle train is like a secret train because it's a shuttle. I wonder why I heard memes about MTA. Get a focus camera. You know what? Let me use the light. Hold on. Alright, I'm going to use light because it's too terrible to see in the dark. Here's the shuttle train. I don't have much time for tracks. Here's what it looks like. The new subway cars. Johnny shows this is for you. The new R211 and the Franklin Avenue Shuttle train. This is so rare and new, right? I know. All right, I'm going to get the R46 right now. Let me see if I could try it. Yes, I'm back. All right, got the two trains to show you guys. This is the old one. This is called an R46 A train or R44. They're kind of similar, but it's only in Staten Island. This is an old one. I ordered this in 2021. This old A train. And also I got the shuttle. But this is the 42nd Street one. And this is the Franklin Avenue in Brooklyn. Let's see. They look like babies. This one is in a mama Franklin Avenue shuttle and a baby 42nd Street. This is like I'm going to make this meme. That's his mother. That's his baby. They're kind of silly. I'm going to post this on Devon Art because they look like parents or babies. It looks nice. That's his mother. I don't know what gender is R68. Maybe it's a female or a male type of cars. I don't know if this one's a male. Kind of because it looks like a lady. And this one looks like a man, I guess. The lights. And that's his baby. The IRT are babies, I guess. The adults are the BMT and the the BMT, the IND, the IMB, I don't know. Looks nice. And that's his family, and that's his, that's it. That's her sister. I don't know. I don't know what gender is R211. But this is a meme only. I'm going to pretend they're parents and family. Alright, let's connect this. I don't have much time for tracks because we don't have much time. Move the coffee maker. Alright, let's do this. Are you ready, guys? I'll put it right here at the back. Yeah, oh, sorry about the flyer. Alright, Kim, I'm ready. Alright, sorry about my phone. Alright, here's my jello. Alright, ready? Here we go. Woo! Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Alright. You know, I'm just gonna take off this because I'm sorry, 42nd Street Shuttle, you're too young. I think this one still have one at the Danbury Railway Museum. Try to find it. It's located at the gift shop, the A train, the old one. Alright, here we go. Here it comes. Chugga, 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 chugga. The train's coming. I'm going to try to get the Queens book. I already have Manhattan and Brooklyn book. It's also new, the stickers. They're from Munipals, but I forgot to buy it because it cost me $16. The A and the S train. I'm going to do a Munipals collection tomorrow or next week because I'm going to start in September. Those Munipals. It looks nice and shiny. So new and rare. Also, I guess there's gonna be a Padco train and wooden train. I don't know. I don't know when will be a path train, Munipals, but I don't know if it's not gonna exist because it bans New Jersey Transit or different type of train. This train that goes to Inwood, it's closer to Bronx, towards the George Washington Bridge in Tremont. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great night and have a great Friday. And subscribe if you're an MTA fan or if you have those two at home, the 42nd Street and the new 8th Avenue Express A train. So thank you for watching. Have a great Friday night, and we'll see you tomorrow at the next episode. So, oops, just a magnet thing. It looks like a ring. It's like for a drink. It's like beans. Alright, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, and we hope you guys, the new Munipals. Well, my MBTA bus will be next week because it's too far from Boston. Alright, guys, that'll be it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment in the bell. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like my new subway cars from MTA. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye, and peace out. Bye.